And next, we will talk about the system software, that is, the software which provide the user interface in this relationship diagram. So actually, it is composed of three components: operating system plus utility programs plus driver programs. So let's talk about the operating system first, the OS part. Operating system. So it is responsible for managing the system resources of the computer hardware, and it allows the user to run the application software efficiently. Because actually the hardware component is a very complicated device. For example, let's say making a folder or creating a folder. But the OS will do this for us. We just give the OS the command, and then it will help us to create a folder on hard disk. So the role of the OS is to hide the complexities of the hardware from the user. So these are the common examples of OS, for example, Windows, MacOS, Android, and Linux. And now we can look at the function of an operating system. It will manage the use of memory or random access memory by the application software. And it also manages the file transfer between the RAM and the storage device, for example, folder creation. And they also control the peripheral device. And for peripheral, that means the input, output, or the storage device. And it also provides the user interface so that the user can control the computer. And now let's look at some common examples of operating system. The first one is the most popular OS in the history of computer, Microsoft Windows. So this is Windows 3.1, which appeared in the year 1989. So this is the first graphical user interface on the PC platform. So this is now Windows 8 2013. So it is a very popular operating system, and it runs on the personal computer. And this is mainly used for running the Office application, such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. And next we have the Macintosh operating system. Usually we call this MacOS. And it also has a companion called the iOS on the iDevice, such as iPhone. So the macOS is a very user-friendly operating system, and it supports a really powerful multimedia application, such as photo editing and video editing. So it is mainly designed for the graphics designer, the engineers, or for the people who work in the desktop publishing industry.